Thanks everyone for subscribing, for the interest in my research. Hi, I'm Bruce Schwartz, and now I know a lot more where I'm going, and I will be able to express myself a lot more clearly. The surface, we see a lot of white on the surface. This is Plato Crater. Right now, the footage that we just went over, there was 15 UFOs that flew over the minute we just passed here. I made 3 videos with that 11 seconds that I took zoomed up, and in 11 seconds 3 videos were formulated with everything we were seeing. Are you seeing at the back of here Plato Crater, the structuring? This is Copernicus Crater. Again, more beautiful structuring around. And what do I mean by structuring? You see what looks like symmetrical slabs, if you want, and those are not necessarily the structures. Probably inside of them, yes, they probably are, but they look like mountains, right? They're mountainous. Anyways, over top of them there are other structures. When we zoom into these areas, look at that. When we zoom into the areas, we are seeing UFOs going by, as you will see right here live in view. I'll get an arrow up once a UFO pops up, and of course we're missing many as we speak. Many people are telling me, Bruce, you didn't see this one, you didn't see that one. I know, guys, they're everywhere, and I am seeing every one of them. Trust me, they're all over the place. It's reality now. We're able to see what the surface of the moon looks like. We're looking at it in color. We're looking at objects going by of many different sizes. They're not all going in the same angles. We found cloud cover. I'm 101% sure there's clouds on the surface. But here's the thing. Watch the UFO, by the way. Cuckoo. Isn't that incredible? But do you see how close we are? Do you see how faint this object is? Do you see how slowed down the footage is, and that we're seeing it now? We would never have seen this. So how many people in their footage have UFOs just like this? Look at the mountainous tower in Copernicus Crater. There's a lot of things that we have to look at. I'm laughing because as serious as this is, it's always remained very beautiful for me. This is close-up footage, the closest I've been so far in the 15-minute footage I got with the telescope. Guys, we're solving this with the first footage I've ever gotten. Now this is live, and we're looking at UFOs over the moon. It's a lot more convincing now, is it not? See? There's another object. Yes, it is the same one I showed yesterday, by the way, and the day before there, or possibly another one. I don't know anymore. But the footage, like I said, I have to go through it. I could be doing this for months. There's always areas. See all the structuring and buildings and objects or whatever, just the bumps on the surface appearing in Clavius Crater that we don't usually see, right? Zoomed out. And even when we're very close in, we don't usually see these. There's color also on the surface. See? Change the hue of the surface. Wow. Do you see what's there? 1, 2, 3. I mean, this is Clavius Crater. This is Plato Crater right here that you're seeing. Look at the top right. A city right there, my friends. Could it be ancient? Could it be recent? Just absolutely mesmerizing to be able to get a chance to see this. And it's a lot. We are seeing a lot. I hope most of you are understanding what chance we're getting right now seeing this. Look, it's Plato Crater with what looks like structuring at the back, and the supposed transient lunar phenomenon. Again, you'll see UFO flying by Plato Crater. See, these are the structures at the back, okay? Right here, the structures at the back are there, and you're going to see while I'm showing you this footage. What's this? It is 2 UFO crafts crossing paths, flying in different directions. One towards Plato Crater, one west. So cloud cover, right, on the surface of the moon. Look at these little guys, or this one guy. Here's a big guy, bigger guy. The fact that it's going through clouds is astonishing me. But the lights, there we go, lights just appearing there on the surface. It leads me to believe that there's some kind of an airport or spaceport, right, to receive these crafts. And I do think they are crafts, because we see them sort of stopping, right? They're in, even though it's slow motion, they're sort of hovering and they're moving left and right. But just look at the cloud cover. Look at it moving over the surface. It's moving like there's wind, like there's an atmosphere on the surface. John Lear, Mr. John Lear, was right. How many years did this guy say that there was more than 1/6 of an atmosphere on the moon, which basically what science is telling us, right, in history books? Watching the arrows. 3 lights appear, 3 lights disappear. Possibly a tower. Now watch the craft to the right side of it. Something crazy, which is the back now because it's going towards the left. Watch the wings come out, the landing wings. Boom! What the... This is pretty cool. Do you see how much detail we can get in 15 minutes of footage by grabbing 11 seconds of that footage and just looking at it in slow motion and close-up? Look at the light that appears here. As we're looking at this light in slow motion, it really does look square, like a stroboscope, whatever you want to call it, a light on the surface or a runway. So the blurriness we're seeing really is authentically clouds, so there's no getting over that. But look what's coming in now. We see top left, that triangle appear. Look at that. Boom. Isn't that incredible? And do you see what's coming over top of it? Clouds. So there's your optics problems, everyone. It's the clouds. Hey, we're looking at a ship. Or plane, probably, flying through clouds on the surface of the moon with colors and lights and structures. It's like a dream, right? Well, it's not a dream, it's the real thing. Now, please watch carefully. This is beautiful. Watch the flyby of the fleet fly by really fast. I slowed down as fast as I can. There they are. There they're gone. They zoomed by through the clouds. Underneath these clouds are structures and buildings and whatever color is emanating, whether it be grass, whether it be greenery, we have yet to find out. But look at the beautiful footage. Look, flying through the clouds. All right, Archimedes creator, top right. Keep your eyes on the arrow that will appear at the bottom of Archimedes creator on the top right, at the bottom south side of the crater. A glitch, it's not a transition. Keep watching right there, that round bump that's there. Watch what happens to the crater, but no other craters. Look. Listen, might be a glitch, but no other craters again or shadows were moving.